Hi everybody, welcome back to Channeling Luxury. A few pieces from Prada 23 Spring Summer. So this piece you may have seen actually last year in the stores in Italy. And then there's a jumper. I actually have video of me in the long sleeve version of this. This is the skirt. A couple of pieces here, pleated skirt and a leather top, and a white jacket in the back. So we'll give these a try. I have my wonderful trusted cameraman here this time, so more soon. Okay, here's the white jumpsuit. It's a little bit tight in the belly, but that's me at the moment. A little bit tight through the thighs in here. It's great. I think it's really cool, and it's also very bright, which I love. And you can see how it looks on the back. Again, I need to tighten this up here, but you can see how it fits overall in the butt. And so this is the first piece. Okay, here is the leather top. This is a 44, so very large, size on purpose. Here's how it looks in the back and how it looks in the front. So it's lambskin, has some good stretch to it. Whether or not it is a good fit for my wardrobe, not quite sure. And then this cashmere skirt I think is super cute. It has a little more kind of a torn up vibe, like a street vibe, which I like a lot. That's my thing for sure if I'm shopping at Prada. And you can see it's just torn here, and then here's how it looks on the back. And this one's actually a smaller one. This is a 38, and it still fits really well, as you can see. So now I'll try on another piece. Okay, so keeping the same skirt on, I just added the size 40 tank top. Very similar. There's a dress, long sleeve, long dress is available as well. It's just their standard every year same fitted tank top. Last year I did not get the black one, so I'll pick up the black one. And then I just wanted to show you this. This is actually really reminiscent of how my jumper is that I wore. You can see my Luxury Trip Girl channel. I wore it all throughout Italy, but it's just a simple jacket and kind of feels more like a shirt, honestly. You could just tuck in some way. It's just a little bit too thick to do that, but I think it has a lot of versatility, and you can just kind of throw it over something and just up the outfit's attitude just a little bit. Here's how it looks in the back. That's my very quick video of some of the new pieces that Prada has in. Hoping to get some more runway pieces in soon. They have an amazing sweater, a knit sweater, but I just need to get a bigger size. So we'll see if there's one more left in the country if I get lucky. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.